Oh, hi there. Today we are going to use Clerk iOS, and here is a quick start documents, and we are following the steps. So first, let's create an iOS project, and let's see, Xcode, create new project, application, and then next we say Clerk iOS. And next SAS project. Okay, great. So this will be iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Plus, and this is our app. This is the content view. So next we'll install the Clerk iOS SDK. So this is that URL for the package. Copy, and let's go to our click on this project and go to framework library and add package dependency URL, paste it here, and add package. And add this. So now it fetched the package to the local. And let's run the application. Next, we need to load the Clerk. So it works. And let's say what we need is import Clerk. Go to our app, import Clerk, and let's say we define a private state variable Clerk, and which is the shared object of Clerk with singleton object. Let's copy this, and for the CN we say if Clerk is loaded, then we go to content view. Otherwise we go to progress view, and for the task we load the Clerk with process with the config publishable key. Okay, let's copy and go to our application, and for this publishable key, and you log in to your Clerk and go to your dashboard, and so you can find the developer section, and you find the API keys, and you got your public key over here, copy, and go to here, paste it over here. Okay, so now run the application, and it works. And next we are going to say conditionally render contents. Open a contents view, import Clerk, and so if there's the user logged in, we say hello and the user ID. Otherwise, say you are signed out. So let's go to content. Go to content view, and we import Clerk. And let's see. We have environment variable, and which is passed by the application. And this vStack we say conditionally render the okay. Okay, so let's run the application, and you can see it's because currently there's no user, it's a you're signed out. And step 5, create a sign in view. Let's create a sign up view. And new file from template, and user interface with UI view. Next, let's say sign up view. So this sign up view, we will say copy this, copy and paste it over here. So basically it has a text field of email password, and click on the button. It will call the function to sign up, and after it send the sub create, this will call the API and send the email password. If it's successful, and it will change to you will send the email your code, and you check your email, get your code, and this is verifying. Will change if it's a verify, change the screen to verify the code received by your email. Okay. And let's create a sign in view. Create. Now have sign in view, and we're going to copy this, now we have the sign view. Basically, sign view has email password, and one click on the continue, and they will API call to the Clerk sign in, and a strategy will use email and password. And so to switch the screen from sign in to sign up, let's create a sign in or sign up view. This is sign in or sign up view. Clerk new file from template. Next, sign in or sign up view, and let's say copy. We have sign in and sign up view. So it has a private state variable of its app. By click on this text button, so you already have account sign in, and it will toggle this value to be from true to false, from false to true, and depends on this example value, and it will show the sign up view or sign in view. And so now let's go to the content view, and we say if user not signed in, we show this sample sign in view. And let's see. So see, it's right now it says sign up, and we can input your let's say email or password. Let's say go to that Clerk, and we say users. We can action delete user, and go to our application. Say we have email of iCloud.com, and continue. And it asks us to verify the code by check the email, and I say, oh yeah, you have that verification code. Let's put the verification code here, verify, and say when the user log in, and they will say hello, and the user ID. User ID. This is user ID, and so basically that's how this Clerk iOS, and we can, let's say we can do some improvement, like we can go to cloud, and let's say we can say we need a iOS app page, so ask Cloud to generate the code for us, and we can copy and paste. Okay, so and let's say our app, we put the Clerk configure publishable key over here. We can put it into a config file. So let's say go add new file from template. We add the property list. So let's say property list, plist, and we say Clerk config and create, and go this plist, go click on the add, and we say Clerk dash publishable key dash key, and we got the value, which is okay. So let's go back to this, and we just say initialize Clerk with publishable key. Let's say we want editor and structure reindent. Okay, so we get the path of Clerk config and type of plist, and we read the property of Clerk publishable key, and we configure this, use this. So let's run the application. So I have to copy this code from the cloud, and let's run. So here is our improved UI for the sign-in page. And let's see if we say okay. We haven't verified our code. Let's see. Go to dashboard, users. We have all verified, so we can set call and password. Sign in. Okay, so this we have a main app view. This app view generally will transform image you upload to a cartoon, but that's just it could be any kind of your feature of your application as a main app view. And we have logout, and so logout, if it's a logout, we will redirect to the sign-in view. Okay, generally that's how we use Clerk iOS library to do the sign in, sign up, verify code, sign out.